Look, Sleepy is calling the female to the nest, and the female don't want to go to the nest. The nest is here, as you can see, and is following for 1 to 3 days. After that, the female will agree to go to the nest and put the eggs here. The nest is this place, and I have to remove the female. For that, the male Sleepy will start controlling the eggs, and they will have babies like these ones. I'll show you babies here. As you can see, babies on this place here. You see 2 babies. The third one is there, other ones. And after 1 month, you'll have babies with this size. You can see babies this size here, a lot of babies. After 2 months, you will have babies with this size here, and then you have separate like this, right? If you like it, don't forget to subscribe for more and follow Sleepy Breeding.